Hello foodies, today you all are going to learn how to cook burnt garlic rice. So here are the ingredients: boiled rice, chopped spring onion, chopped garlic, a cube of butter, salt, black pepper powder and sugar. Let's get started. I have heated the pan and now I'll be putting oil, 2 tablespoons of white oil. Let the oil get heated for some time. I will add garlic. Since it's burnt garlic rice, so let the garlic get burnt, like little bit brownish. So you can see the garlic is brownish in color now. At this point of time, I will add cooked rice. Spring onion, salt to taste, black pepper powder, sugar. Just a little bit, I'll stir, not much. Just to mix everything well. So once I've mixed it well, I will add little butter to it. Mix them all well again. It's ready. Our burnt garlic rice is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. If you like the recipe, hit like, share amongst your friends and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to get more delicious recipes like these.